I'm future you. What? Why am I dressed like that? I'm here to save you some time and tell you about Super Clean. I don't have time for this. I got this hot mess to clean. Yo, just listen. You can use Super Clean to make quick work of this mess. Alright, I'll bite. But we're not in the garage. Why the heck do you have wheel cleaner? Yeah, I know we're not in the garage, but it's a little known fact that the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner is great for eliminating C.L.R. C.L.R? Is that a band? No, silly, it's not a band. It stands for calcium, lime, and rust. Check over your shower head. Oh. Ew. Oh, I get it. Yeah, but what about the rest of the shower? Oh, what about the rest of it? Yeah, I know! Well, that's why we got the aerosol can. It foams up nice and works harder so you don't have to. Oh, I see. It's like a 1-2 punch. Now watch! The aerosol. Oh, okay. See that? It's working. It's clean. No, it's super clean. Oh. Guess it is super clean.